Hey guys, so Samsung has recently announced the new Infinity display lineup called Infinity U, V, O and New Infinity. I know this sounds a little bit confusing, but let me explain. The Infinity U display design will feature a U-shaped cutout on the top of the device, which will be housing the front camera and sensor. And the same thing will be with the Infinity V design, with the V-shaped cutout instead of rounded U. But the Infinity O design will be little bit different. For example, this design will feature a circular cutout on the side of the display with the camera inside. And the fourth one, which is called New Infinity, is the full screen display with no cutouts or notch whatsoever. Apparently some rumors are coming which claims that the Samsung is preparing to launch two new devices, the Galaxy A70 and Galaxy A90, which will feature the new Infinity display, and this device could launch in February 2019. Though the rumor timing of the two mid-range announcement may sound a little weird because the flagship Galaxy S10 is also launching 1 month later in March 2019. But it kinda makes sense because the Galaxy A8 2018 were also unveiled close to the Galaxy S9 launch. Although these devices will be in mid-range segment, but as the name suggests, the Galaxy A70 and A90 will sit in a higher class than the regular A series phones. Lastly, the concept designer and hit-and-miss tipster Ben Gaskin seems to have some knowledge of the two devices. According to him, these two devices will be featuring the new display between the Infinity O, V, U designs. Despite that, their prices are described as quite okay by Eldar Murtazin, who is a Russian tech journalist and leaker. So that is it for this video guys, and I will see you in my next video.